Hi, I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, and today I'm excited to bring you a 255 Scout. This is a 2017, has the 300 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke on it. Really nice boat. As we walk through, you're going to notice the nice transom walk through here, as well as on the transom, the 3-step ladder that goes down in the water. Self-bailing cockpit, beautiful storage down here underneath the sole, and big fold-out back seat to make it really comfortable to sit back here and enjoy while you're out cruising, or get it out of the way when you're fishing. Behind the helm seat here, we've got a great storage area. Good place to store tackle boxes, etc. And then also we've got rod holders on the back of this bolster, as well as the rocket launchers up here on the hardtop. You'll also notice the spreader lights, speakers in the hardtop. This has a really nice Fushion sound system. As we walk around here to the helm, show you a nice big walk area here in the deck area, as well as a big nice combing area here for stepping up on the docks, and the pad that if you're leaning over fishing and whatnot, you got plenty of stability here in the boat. As we walk up here to the helm, full complement of Garmin electronics, as well as a Garmin VHF, Lenco trim tabs, and of course we have the hydraulic steering. On the GPS right now, I've got it on the system. We can switch it over here very easily to our gauges for the motors, and I'll show you this boat only has 157 hours on it and still is in warranty. As we walk forward, one of the favorites on most center consoles today is a large head area, and you'll notice in this one that we do have the potty that is a porcelain potty, and it has a holding tank, so you don't have to worry about pumping out or any odors. You'll also notice here the Fushion stereo system. And as we walk forward, you come forward, this is a really nice sitting area up here in the front. You'll notice that you've got cushions here right now. These cushions come off so that you can make this all a a fishing platform up front, and removable backrests so that your guests have a place to really lounge and relax up here in the front. This also has the electric anchor windless on it. You've got foot controls up here where you can operate from the deck, as well as a remote switch at the helm. Nice storage area here with a little cooler, drink holders, so if you want to use this as a table, it operates in that way as well. Great storage underneath these front cushions. Both sides, you'll also notice that it's watertight, so if you want to keep stuff in there to stay dry, you can definitely do that as well. Another great storage area here for ground tackle like fenders, lines, backup anchor if you need one, etc. Alright, and one last place for storage. We've got this well up here that can be used as an ice chest or for storage area as we go out and go cruising on the river here or offshore. This is a beautiful boat for running offshore. It's got nice big high gunnels on it as well. Give me a call. This is Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. The Scout 255 at this price is not going to last long. Give me a call.